Okay, so welcome to today's market review. You want to see what actually happened, what our expectation was, or what my expectation was for the past week, or the from 4th to 8th. Okay, from 4th to 8th. And before you watch this video, I think you have to watch the previous video from 28th to 1st. Okay, now because it is based on that week's video that's I'll be making this one. Okay, just a continuation of that, what I was expecting the dollar index to do and what the euro USD to also do in reverse. Okay, so let's get into the charts right now. All right, so this is the dollar index. Okay, now in the previous video from the 8th to 1st, okay, price was somewhere around here, somewhere here. Okay, and we were expecting that price would clear up these highs, these old highs over here. Okay, and then probably have some kind of retracement. All right, now but the retracement was not that much, just a little bit. Okay, and this was where somewhere here that we were expecting the dollar index to reach for the coming week, but quite unfortunately that target was not reached for the previous week. Okay, so for the coming week we are still bullish on the dollar index until otherwise we are proving wrong along the week, but I'm still bullish on the dollar index. As I said, I was expecting the dollar to reach somewhere here. Okay, now I would actually take a look at the what I was expecting in the euro as well. Okay, so this level is based off this area. Okay, these highs. All right, now from this low here, from this side to these highs, that's 100 points, 1600 levels thereabout. Okay, now you expect the dollar index to reach there for the coming week. Okay, and if we reach there, is most likely we are going to take out these highs. Okay, now the high here, which is around 193, 100.93. okay, and then probably we reach up into these highs, which is 102.993. okay, now unless otherwise proven wrong, that's my bias for the coming weeks. Okay, for the coming weeks. Okay, so let's go down to the 1 hour charts and see. Now this particular trading week has been bullish throughout. There's no kind of major reversal. It's been just price opened on Sunday and then just traded up, just a little retracement. Every time you have a little retracement, you create a new high, little retracement, you create a new high, a little retracement, you create a new high. Now with this knowledge, let's open the USD. So as you know, since last week I was expecting price, this is where price was around somewhere here. Okay, now so this is a Sunday's candle, all right, which is out. So price opened on Sunday here. Okay, and then we've been bearish throughout. Now if you watch the previous video, I was expecting these lows this low, this swing low over here, then this lows, okay, to be taken out. All right, then probably you can reach into these ones. Okay, that's the next objective for the coming week. Alright, now for the coming week, that's the next objective. Now looking at the weekly, now you can see there are some weekly lows down here. Okay, now it's most likely if you should see the dollar index rally as I expect the coming week to do. Okay, now I expect that these lows, these weekly lows on the Euro USD be also taken out after taking out this particular low here. Alright, so that's my my expectation for the coming week. Okay, and there is the next target. Alright, this low here is the next target. That's 10805 level. 10805 level is the next target on the Euro USD. Okay, now from there, then you can target this level. Okay, this level here, which is we have 10774 or 7745 level. Now that's our next target for the coming week. Okay, so let's see what price has to offer us. Let's see what price has to offer for the coming week. Okay, so based on what price does for the coming week, you know, we trade accordingly. You see, I have an order in the markets already, 1 minute in the markets already. Alright, so I'm targeting, there was no take profit, I'm targeting that low right there. Okay, that's my target, which is around let me see, roughly about 95 pips, or let's say 90 pips. Okay, that's the target for that particular trade. Okay, so as we saw in the Euro, the dollar index, now the Euro is also opened with a gap. Alright, then you just closed in the gap, and then since sand is open and the gap closure, we've been trading bearishly, trading down. Okay, so that is it. Let's hope that everything goes well, and then our emotions and our psyche help us in our trades. Okay, so let's see what the week has for us. Thank you for watching.